Hi, I'm Morian, Food Service Sales Line Manager at MFG Tray. Our food service line offers a wide variety of products to utilize throughout the food service industry, specifically designed for food storage, prep, and merchandising. Whether you're in a large commissary operation or a small ma-and-pop restaurant or pizzeria, we have you covered. From our front of house display trays to back of house proofing boards, dough boxes, and serving trays, trust us to deliver the best products to your business. MFG Tray food service products include, but are not limited to, dough boxes, pan extenders, cafeteria trays, non-slip serving trays, proofing boards, market and supreme display trays, compartmental trays, and food prep and storage containers. MFG food service products offer product protection from start to finish, composite strength and durability, trays that won't warp, bend, or sag over time, and are easy to clean. They endure wash in commercial, high temp, and chemical dishwashers because the composite material resists odors, stains, and is not harmed by detergents. MFG products are made from fiberglass reinforced composite material that withstands temperatures from -60 to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, which makes it great for flash freezing. MFG Tray offers a standard color variation for each product line, and in most cases, we can produce an additional color with a minimum order quantity. MFG Tray food service trays and containers are safe for food service applications, and most products are NSF listed. If you wish to request a sample or inquire about a custom-sized tray, please email me to start the process. In addition, to learn more about our food service products, check out the MFG Tray food service catalog at mfgtray.com or give me a call. I look forward to hearing from you.